Hello and welcome to The Nature of Life. My name is Simona.
And my name is Peppino Valentino, and we are shooting this video to present you the nature of life. We take the illness, we transform it in your fuel for going in the next step. We take your emotional bundle of past and future and anxiety and depression, and we transform it in the fuel for your new life. Modern medicine is very good in killing bacteria. Shamanism is very good in bringing back your soul. And emotional work is very good to heal depression. No way psychopharmacs can do something like this when you work with your emotions. This is the way. We saw it with us, we saw it with our clients. We blend all the good stuff and we create the nature of life for you.
When you have this tickling inside your heart and you feel from your childhood dreams that life is so precious and so much and so colorful, that somehow it's hidden, it's covered, you don't have access for it, but you know it's there. There's a way to get there, to find it.
So, if you would like to try something different, if you already try to overcome some disease in the physical or emotional level or mental or spiritual level, and you didn't find the real shift, or if you just really want to try something new in your life, or you want to learn some new techniques to work in your doctor practice or in your healer practice, we have plenty of them. They cover different areas, from shamanism to anatomy to theater and art, and working with the children.
Then you might be in a good spot to do these things. We are here for you. There's something I was experiencing myself as very strong, is in the moment you are in a crisis, in an issue, in a very difficult moment of your life, you might not be able to get out of there by yourself. And maybe there's also no belief that you will ever get out of there. For me, this healing space is about that, to remind each other, and it is not needed to stay in this hole, because this is life going on now, and you have the possibility now to make the best out of it, the life you wish to live.